What's up, family, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video we are doing a different style that I've never tried before, but I am very anxious to try it and see my results because everyone gets great results with this style, so I'm pretty excited about it. And the style that we're going to be doing is, well, before we even get into that, if you have not subscribed and joined the Curly Chris fam, then I'm gonna need for you to do that by the end of this video. We are a family on this channel because we truly do support each other by I give you guys content and you guys comment, like, use my tips, try these things on your own. So it's like a family supporting the family, basically, you know. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel by the time this video is over. If not, we can subscribe after. I mean, it ain't nothing to just fight a little bit, you know. You gonna hit that button regardless. I'm just kidding, but I hope that you do subscribe to my channel because I'm here for you, you know. So today's video, we are doing a three-strand twist out. A three-strand twist out. So a lot of you guys have been calling me like the twist out queen and everything on my Instagram, and I'm pretty stoked about that. Like, thank you for anyone who said that because it really makes me like, me, twist out queen out of all these beautiful naturalistas, me. But thank you guys so much for saying that and appreciating my twist outs whenever I do them. So I wanted to take it to another step, you know, like, let's amp it up a little bit, and instead of doing a two-strand twist out, we're gonna do a three-strand twist out, okay, and hope that it does not turn into a braid out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we're gonna be trying it out with each other, and the products that I'm gonna be using for that is As I Am. So today's video is sponsored by As I Am, so shout out to y'all for sponsoring your girl's video today. And you guys know I love As I Am, like love, so let's get it. So first off, we're going to be using the coconut co-wash, which is my absolute fave, then following up with the hydration elation, which is kind of my first time using this, but I'm really excited. The consistency is kind of thick, but also very, very creamy. So my hair's a mess, so I'm gonna first just wet it all the way, and yeah, you guys see it's a hot mess. So I'm just gonna wet it and just get it ready to, you know, be moisturized and back to how I like it to be. And I have to wet my hair all the way, guys, like not moist, but drenched with water. So I'm gonna go in with the co-wash, and if you have not used this co-wash, then sis, what are you doing? Since I first went natural, this co-wash has been my favorite. The consistency of it, the slip, it is just honestly the bomb. So I make sure to bring that co-wash all the way down to the ends of my hair. I don't just apply it to my roots, I apply it to my entire head because I just love how it feels, and it just gets my hair nice, just how I like it. And it's also really good with like detangling because the slip on it is so crazy. So next we're going with the hydration elation, and this had lots of slip as well. Y'all, I was able to detangle my hair by putting this product in, and you guys can see just how defined my curls got as soon as I put this product in. It really did a great job with clumping my curls, and just look at this slip and definition, honey. Like, this hydration elation was bomb. So I most definitely will be using this again, and I need some more actually because I love it that much. So this is what my hair is looking like after I just let it sit in my hair for about 10 minutes. Y'all, look at that slip. Oh my god, my hair felt so good. Like, I love that product. And this is what it's looking like after I rinsed everything out. So bomb. So let's get into the styling. Doing a three-strand twist out. A three-strand twist out. The product that we are using today is the leave-in conditioner. And then we're going to be following up with the curling cream. This is a new curling cream, y'all. Like, this is not the twisting cream. It's a different formula. This is the curling cream. So I did a little taste test on my hand. I put it on my Instagram, and y'all, it blended well together. So let's hope for the best with my hair. But this is the new curling cream. So your girl excited to try it out. And then if needed, I probably won't really need it, but I may just use this on my edges, is the smoothing gel. So I love this. It's like a nice hold to everything, and I like to just polish my looks with this. So I may just use the smoothing gel on my edges till at the end, but we gonna see. Alright, so let's jump right into the tutorial, guys. So I went ahead and pinned up the front part of my section, so I split my hair into 4 parts basically, as I always do when I style. And it is so important for me and for any style you do, especially twist outs, to make sure your hair is drenched and just wet when you're applying product, because that's when it accepts the product the most and when you get the best results. So I'm going in with this leave-in conditioner, which is another holy grail of mine. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, that I've used this leave-in for so long. Make sure you get them ends of the hair and make sure they're moisturized. Now I'm going to take my comb, and the one I'm using is the As I Am one. I'm going to just go ahead and detangle this comb, detangle my hair, and then I'm going to follow up with my Denman brush to make sure my hair is really detangled. So now I'm going to go in with the curling cream, and y'all, it was so smooth and just thick. I love this curling cream, y'all. So I just apply that throughout my hair. Just make sure also to focus on the ends, and just look at how defined my curls were after applying this curling cream. Like, it clumped my hair a lot. So I'm going to detangle with my Denman again, and then I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections for this 3-strand twist out. And we are basically doing this style together because it's my first attempt, and you're going to see my face in the next clip. But y'all, it was like, what am I doing? But I was able to figure it out. So you're going to take the furthest piece of hair and bring that one piece over the 2 pieces, and then just keep on following that exact same pattern. I'm going to give you guys a close-up eventually, but just take the furthest piece and bring it over the other 2 pieces, and that's your 3-strand twist out. So just keep on doing that until you get to the ends of your hair, and then twist all of it, all 3 pieces, around your finger. And it's going fast right now, but I do slow it up again whenever I'm doing another twist. But I also make sure to detangle my hair. Make sure my hair is detangled throughout the entire twist. Like, if you're twisting your hair and you feel that it may be knotted, take your brush or your detangling tool and make sure you get that knot out. That is how you get a nice smooth twist out. That's for 2-strand, 3-strand, a braid out, whatever style you're doing. Your hair has to be smooth all the way through. So I finished one, and I was like, okay. So look at just how this leave-in conditioner even just defined my hair. Like, I love As I Am so much. So I'm taking that cream again and just making sure that I bring it to my ends of my hair all the way to my root, and just making sure it is very moisturized. And this is what my hair is looking like after I put that cream in. Also very, very defined. And now let's take it slow again and show you guys how I did this 3-strand twist out. Very, very simple. Once you start doing it, take the furthest piece of your hair and bring it over the 2 pieces of your hair, and then keep on doing that exact same routine. Alright, I done went ahead and finished all of these 3-strand twists, and y'all, I have carpal tunnel. My fingers cannot work anymore. They are done. Okay, So y'all gonna appreciate these three-strand twists, okay? Because I think I did them pretty good. I think I did them pretty doggone good, honestly. Like, I think they look good. We'll see when they dry, but I think they look okay. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. And I was gonna slay my edges, but you know what? I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just slay them. I'm gonna slay them. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take the smoothing gel and I'm gonna slay my edges, okay? But some of my hair, it just don't go into the style. It's just, I guess it's the baby hairs. It just do what it won't. Alright, and this is the consistency of the smoothing gel. It's kind of like tacky a little bit. I would say a little, well, kind of like around the same texture as Eco Styler, but not like, not Eco Styler. I don't know, it's hard to explain. But let's go ahead and slay these edges on down. I honestly can't even see. And y'all probably be thinking that I be leaving this hair out on purpose. I don't. My doggone hair just don't slick down. I mean, just don't go into the style. And then it's so stubborn, girl. Okay, I had to get off camera to do that because I gotta see when I do my edges. But okay, so they slayed, they slicked down. I'm gonna go tie this up, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let my hands rest overnight because I am done. So I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna take this hair down, girl, and just see just how good I did. Okay, so we're gonna see. Go. Alright family, so it is 2 days later and I have let my twist dry all the way, and I did it for 2 days because my hair does not dry in one day. It laughs at me. It's like, girl, who you think this is? So I took 2 days to let my hair fully dry, and these three-strand twists are looking really good to me. Like, I love how, like, I'm not used to this, you know, how the twists look, but I feel like it's gonna be extremely defined. So I'm gonna be using the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Oil, grow hair oil. Put it on my hands while I take it down, just so I can eliminate frizz and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I also did stretch my twist a little bit. I just, you know, stretch it by pinning it back and letting them stretch, so they don't shrink up as much. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm like so nervous because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Oh wow. Oh wow. My just hilarious voice. Y'all, that looks so good. OMG, that looks so good. Wow. Okay. Now I'm more confident. Wow, so this side is completely out. Y'all, this looks so defined. OMG. Like, I think you get more definition with a three-strand twist out. Okay. But y'all, the definition is amazing, right? Like, Okay, so this is what my results are looking like. I'm just picking it out a little bit more, but OMG, I love my hair. Three-Strand Twistouts are lit. Y'all, I love it. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna do a quick review of this new curling cream. Like, I absolutely love the texture of it, how it defined my curls as soon as I put it on, how it worked well with all the other products, as you know, products in the same line should. But y'all, I just love these results. Like, they look so doggone good to me, and my hair feels amazing, honestly. And it's so bouncy, and that cream really did a great job with keeping my curls, like keeping that definition and that moisture in, which is another reason why I love creams. Okay, like, creams are it for me. And if you have thick hair, then you should pick up this cream as well, because it really did a great job with locking in that moisture, and that leave-in conditioner is also amazing. So shout out to As I Am, one of my favorite hair care lines. One, for sponsoring today's video, and two, for dropping all these bomb products on us. Like, I love it, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below if you're feeling this style as well. Let me know what you're thinking down below. I just can't stop touching my hair, honestly. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in as always. And thank you, As I Am, for sending these products and everything. You guys are all appreciated. And until next time, I love you so much, family. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you have not already done so. Mwah.